Hello students, today we will learn also another method of factorization of the polynomials. See, this method is actually the difference of two squares. See, number square minus 25y square. Here we are using a square minus b square formula. You know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here this 9x square means 3x square minus 5 y square means 25y square. So this is a and this is b. A plus b into a minus b. This is actually the formula, and we are using this and just getting this factorization of this. 3a square minus 75b square. This type of problem, if it is actually not the square number, this one, try to just think about that. Some numbers may be common. So just find out that common number and just take common first, and you will see, you will get the, that is a square minus b square form or not. So this is 3 is common over there, and then it will be a square minus 25b square. So this is 25b square. Here 3 into a square means a square minus 5b square. This is 25 square, 25b square. So it is coming a square minus b square formula. That is 3 into a plus 5b into a minus 5b, and this is your answer. Next one is similar to the second one also. 8xy cube minus 18x cube y. Here this common part is 2xy. If you are just getting any common part, just try to just take this common part first and then just do the rest one. It will be better and it will be small, precise also. And see here 2xy is the common. You will get 4y square and 9x square. So it is actually come 2xy, 4y square means 2y square minus 3x square. Then it is coming 9x square. So a square minus b square formula once again is 2xy into 2y plus 3x into 2y minus 3x. Next, number 4. See, these type of problems are interesting problem. Here a square minus 2b plus b square minus c square. Get this number and just make it whole square. A square minus 2b plus b square, you know, a minus b whole square, and c square means c square. So take this as a and this is b. So this a plus b and a minus b, that is a minus b minus c, and this is your answer. Next one is just similar to this, number 4. 4a square minus 9b square minus 2a plus 3b. See, we are just taking these two numbers as a square minus b square and just take this is as a another factor over here. See here a square minus, that is 2a square minus 3b square, it will be coming 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b, and it is coming minus 1 is common over here. So 2a minus 3b. This part is now common within these two terms. So this term is actually get common. This is remaining over here 2a plus 3b minus 1, and it is your answer. See, this is a square minus b square minus 4ac plus 4c square. See here minus 4ac, then a and c, you have to just find out the relation between a and c, that is just take these three terms over here and just get it as a formula. This is a square minus 4ac means 2 into a into 4c is 2c square, that is plus 2c square, minus b square means bh square. So this has come, this is a minus 2c whole square, these three terms, and this is minus b square. So a square minus b square formula, this is a plus b means b, and this is, just take this as a and this is b. A square minus b square formula once again. So this is a plus b into a, that is a minus 2c minus b. So this is your answer. See, the next one is also interesting. Here 2a minus 2b minus a square plus b square. Just see a square minus b square, and it will be just taken as 2 as common, then a minus b will be coming. So make it this group over here and also this group over here. 2 into a minus b, this within these two, and this is minus is common, then a square minus b square, we can just put it a square and b square. So this is actually a square minus b square formula. This has come over here and this is as it is. So here a minus b is common factor over here. So just take it common over here and this is remaining here 2 minus a minus into a plus b, that is minus a minus b, and this is your answer. Number 8, see, this is x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5. Just take x square from these two terms. Then x minus 5 has come. You just take minus 1 from these two terms, this x minus 5. And just this is the common x minus 5 into x square minus 1. Once again, this is actually another formula, a square minus b square formula. Just take this x minus 5 into x square minus 1 square. So it will come x minus y this term and x plus 1 and x minus 1, and this is your answer. Next one is, this is also interesting, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. So make this part as whole square. So it is required, see, plus 2 is required for to make it whole square. But here is only 1 is remaining. So we are just now deduct minus with this is 1. So what is coming? This is 2 minus 1. This is coming plus 1. So we can write it like this. So it has come whole square and this is minus 1 means 1 square. So this is a plus a square minus b square, that is x plus 1 by x plus 1 and x plus 1 by x minus 1, and this is your answer. So in this way, within this, that is the formula for grouping, you can solve the all sort of factors. And if you have any problem, you can go through this, that is my WhatsApp number, this one. As and when required, you can ask me my help. I shall just help you. Thank you very much.